Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
One by one, the photos taken by investigators are projected onto the screen, each one showing the bloody aftermath, the crime scene of the July 2015 shooting that claimed the life of Officer Bert Piolo.
The expended casing I seen it somewhere in this area here.
Responding Officer Barry Flores describing how the blood trailed from Piolo's driver's side door and around his truck towards the driveway near Mark Torre Jr.'s parked car. Also shown to the jury, Torre's gun placed on the dash of Piolo's truck. The only gun Flores confirms was found that night.
Why did you ask Officer Torre whether it was self-inflicted?
Because he was involved in the scene and I needed to assess the scene. And he could help me, he could provide me the right direction to take.
Flores was seen in the body cam footage shot by Officer John Edwards that was viewed in court on Wednesday. Flores, who is Torre's uncle, was also questioned about his involvement with the investigation.
I sort of realized certain players involved in the incident, but I knew what my job was and what job I had to do with my patrol unit. And my main thing was to render assistance to Officer Piolo.
The prosecution raised the issue of conflict. Flores testifying that Torre that night was not seen as a suspect. He says in his eyes, he saw him as the victim. At one point, Officer Flores even got defensive when Chief Prosecutor Phil Tydinko continued pressing him about his handling of the case.
It was handled the same way as I would any other investigation.
Okay, so there was no special favors done because this was your police commander or your relative?
None in my book, sir.
While he contends there were no favors given and that he did everything by the book, Flores says there's no doubt when he arrived on scene, Torre was drunk.
He was highly intoxicated. He didn't finish what I believe to be any of his sentences. He was just speaking incoherently.
Meantime, defense attorney Jay Arreola questioned why police did not tape off the crime scene right away.
No one secured the scene completely upon arrival, as we saw all the blood all around the scene, on the driveway, on the wall, on the car, on the road, by the trash can, on the driveway.
Correct, sir.
Next to take the stand, more GPD officers and the medics that responded that night. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Nick Delgado.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.